How to clean white leather shoes. White shoes can be difficult to keep clean, especially if you're regularly going outside. White leather shoes are even harder to clean because chemicals like ammonia can cause unwanted discoloration and you can't put them in the washing machine. Luckily, there are all-natural methods of cleaning your white leather shoes with household products like toothpaste, white vinegar, and olive oil. If you use the right techniques and take the time to protect and maintain your shoes, you can keep your shoes looking brand new. Follow along as we demonstrate step-by-step instructions using household items and gentle methods to remove stains and dirt from your beloved shoes. Don't miss these essential tips for preserving the beauty of your footwear. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to using toothpaste, using vinegar and olive oil, and preventing stains on your shoes. Now let's get started. Things you'll need: cotton rag, toothpaste, olive oil, white vinegar, spray bottle, nylon brush, microfiber cloth, water repellent. Method 1. Using toothpaste. Number 1. Wipe off any excess dirt or mud. Scrape off any excess dirt that's been left over and that hasn't seeped into the leather. Use a soft nylon brush or a cotton rag and wipe over the entirety of your shoe. This should loosen and remove most of the dry dirt and dust that's on the surface of the shoe. Number 2. Remove the laces from your shoes. Soak your laces in a bowl with warm water and laundry detergent or throw the laces in the washing machine. Removing them while you clean the rest of the shoe will make cleaning them easier. Number 3. Dampen the outside of your shoe with a rag or towel. Dampen a rag so that it's wet, but not soaking. You don't want to oversaturate the leather on your shoes because it can damage it over time. Rub the damp cloth over the entirety of the shoe to remove the initial dirt. Number 4. Rub a dab of toothpaste into scuffs and stains. Make sure to use non-gel whitening toothpaste that doesn't have artificial dyes that can stain your shoes. Put dabs of toothpaste over the problem areas of your shoes and start to rub the toothpaste into the leather with your fingers. Number 5. Scrub the stains with a toothbrush. Scrub in the toothpaste, working in small circular motions. Continue to do this until the stain breaks up. Clean the entire shoe this way. Number 6. Wipe the toothpaste away with a towel. Make sure to remove all the toothpaste that was left over from cleaning. If you have trouble removing the toothpaste, dampen the rag with a little bit of warm water and rub the toothpaste off of the shoe. Number 7. Dry your shoes. Once all the toothpaste has been removed, wipe your shoes down with a microfiber cloth or a rag. You can repeat the cleaning process if your shoes are still dirty. Make sure they are completely dry before storing them. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Using vinegar and olive oil. Number 1. Combine vinegar and olive oil in a spray bottle. Pour a quarter cup 59.14 milliliters of vinegar and half a cup 59.14 milliliters of olive oil in a medium-sized spray bottle and shake the bottle vigorously. The solution will separate, so you need to make sure that you shake it as you use it. Number 2. Spray the solution onto your shoes. Get a nice coating over the entirety of your shoe. Apply more solution to areas where there is unwanted discoloration or dirt. Number 3. Let the solution sit for 5 minutes. The solution should soak into the leather and help bring up any stains or dirt that is embedded in the material. Number 4. Wipe the solution off with a dry cloth. As you wipe off the vinegar solution, the stain should come with it. Use a soft cotton or microfiber cloth to avoid scuffing your shoes further. Continue to wipe off the shoe until it's dry and the solution has been worked into the leather. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Preventing stains on your shoes. Number 1. Apply a water repellent on your shoes. Water repellents will help preserve your shoes and stop them from becoming water damaged. Repellents come in the form of oils, waxes, and sprays. Read the instructions that came with the product and follow them carefully. Typically, you'll want to apply the water repellent over the entirety of your shoe and then allow it to dry before applying an additional coat. Remember to do a cleaning of your shoe before you apply a repellent. Popular leather water repellents brands include Meltonian, Obanov, Scotchgard, and 𝒍𝒐𝒗𝒆. Make sure that the repellent is designed for leather, not suede. Number 2. Clean your shoes as soon as they get dirty. Spot cleaning is an easy way to maintain the look of your white shoes. Use a damp rag or paper towel to clean off scuffs, scrapes, and dirt as soon as they get on your shoes. Check your shoes every day after you get home from work or school and clean off any debris on your shoes. The more diligent you are with regularly spot cleaning, the less you'll have to clean the white leather. If you have deeper stains, you can use an undyed mild dish soap and a toothbrush to remove the dirt. Number 3. Keep your shoes indoors and out of direct sunlight. Sunlight can cause yellowing and damage to the leather in your shoes. Keep them in a cool dark spot somewhere in your house when you aren't wearing them to preserve them. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Can I use bleach on white leather shoes? Using bleach on white leather shoes is not recommended. Bleach can damage leather by causing discoloration, weakening the material, and leading to cracks or deterioration. Instead, opt for leather-specific cleaners or mild soap with water to gently clean stains. Wipe gently and test any cleaner on a small, inconspicuous area first. Regularly conditioning leather helps maintain its quality and appearance without risking damage from harsh chemicals like bleach. Are there specific brushes recommended for cleaning? Yes, various brushes serve different cleaning purposes. For shoes, soft bristled brushes, horsehair or nylon, are ideal for delicate materials like leather. Stiff bristled brushes, such as a scrub brush, work well on tougher surfaces like soles. For household cleaning, consider using soft bristled brushes for gentle surfaces and harder brushes, like a scrubbing brush, for tiles or grout. Always match the brush type to the surface being cleaned for effective and safe results. What should I do if my white leather shoes get wet? If your white leather shoes get wet, pat them gently with a dry, clean cloth to absorb excess moisture. Avoid heat sources like hairdryers, which can damage leather. Stuff the shoes with paper towels to help absorb remaining moisture and maintain their shape. Let them air dry at room temperature away from direct sunlight. Once dry, use a specialized leather conditioner to restore moisture and maintain the leather's suppleness. Tips to keep your white shoes clean longer. 1. Consider spraying shoes with a protector that's also water repellent. Upholstery protectors can work for white canvas or fabric shoes. 2. Opt for a tiny drop of white shoe polish for hard-to-remove stains. 3. Store white shoes in fabric bags because they can collect dirt from places like closets. 4. If you have shoes with mesh, scrub gently or the mesh will wear out quickly. 5. Use a dab of white toothpaste on white leather shoes when you need to quickly remove a stain and don't have anything else on hand. 6. To clean white rubber on shoes, you can use a soft bristle brush to scrub with a mixture of 1 part baking soda to 1 part dish soap or laundry detergent. Be sure to brush or wipe off any loose dirt first. 7. While melamine foam sponges can remove the outer coating of leather if used excessively, they really don't cause damage if used gently, and sometimes, they can be the only thing that saves a truly scuffed-up pair of sneakers from the dustbin. Sometimes, it is better to use melamine foam to remove the ground in grime and scuffs and follow up with a bit of shoe polish.